Velocity was founded around 2013 right here in Pensacola, Florida. It was founded by local individuals that had a strong passion for building classic cars and trucks. Our specialty here at Velocity Restorations is our signature classic Ford Bronco, as well as our other major restorations. We met Griot at a Good Guys show in Nashville, Tennessee. And I went over to the Griot trailer and absolutely fell in love with their products. When we take our trucks to shows and deliver them to customers, we really want to impress everybody that sees them. And Griot's Garage helps us deliver those results. Here at Velocity, we're a passionate group of individuals that love building classic cars and trucks. We're able to provide a guaranteed timeline and uphold a precision level of quality.